Hello, my name is Omar. I'm from Morocco, and I've been working online for several years now. When I started back in 2016, I was lost in a forest of dust like any beginner, going from one opportunity to the next. I wasted a lot of time and money purchasing products from fake gurus who flooded me with too much information and too little practical instruction on how to succeed online. Then I figured out a simple yet powerful process to make real money online by filling out paid surveys and Bitcoin platforms in which you can earn tokens with little or no investment of your own money. I'm excited to share with you the websites from which I daily make money and guarantee that you too can make money as soon as you follow my advice here. So let's get started with these survey sites that only require a small amount of your time. The first site is called TGM Panel. The second is mobrog.com. You can sign up through this link here. The third is Swagbucks. And here are the Bitcoin bonus websites where you can earn profits daily. And last but not least, Binance.com.